Have you ever found yourself in a conversation where you just can't seem to get to the heart of the matter? Or maybe you've been stuck in a debate, only to realize that neither side is really moving forward? Well, today, we're going to unlock a tool that can change the way you think and communicate, the Socratic Method. The Socratic Method, named after the ancient Greek philosopher Socrates, is a style of questioning designed to help people discover answers for themselves, rather than simply being told what to think. And how does it work? Let's dive in. The Socratic method is a way of asking questions to stimulate critical thinking and draw out underlying assumptions. Instead of answering directly, Socrates would challenge the person he was talking to by asking probing questions, leading them to rethink their beliefs and assumptions. Here's a classic example. Socrates might ask, "What is justice?" A simple question, but it's not so simple to answer. The person might respond, "Justice is helping others." Socrates wouldn't just accept that answer. Instead, he'd ask, "Is helping others always just?" What if someone asks for help with something immoral? Does that make it just? Socrates didn't just accept things at face value. He wanted people to think deeply and question their assumptions. By asking these kinds of questions, he helped his students examine their beliefs from different angles. Now, how can we use the Socratic method in our own lives? Let's say you're having a debate with a friend, or even just trying to understand a difficult concept. Instead of offering your own opinions right away, start with a question that gets to the core of the issue.
As Allied forces advanced, they uncovered the horrors of the Holocaust, where 6 million Jews and millions of others were systematically murdered by the Nazis. The war's final chapter came in 1945. In May, Germany surrendered. And in August, after atomic bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan followed suit. World War II ended in 1945, but its impact is still felt today. It redrew national borders, gave rise to the Cold War, and set the stage for the modern world. It also inspired the creation of the United Nations, an organization aimed at preventing such a global catastrophe from ever happening again. That's all for today's episode of History Unlocked. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories that shaped our world. And let us know in the comments. What part of World War II do you want us to explore next?